Yeah, Jaimie. Difficulty isn't a factor. Choose the thing that's gonna make the world the best, regardless of how difficult or easy it is. Yes! I should be good. I should feel happy that I'm feeling overwhelmed by lots of things. Because if I wasn't feeling overwhelmed by all these things, I wouldn't be doing my best. So this is good. Holy crap, it's totally raining in here. Apparently some frost happened to grow all over the walls and ceiling over the last few days when I wasn't in here. Because it's been pretty cold. And now it's all coming down. Some people send me some encouraging comments too, which is really cool because I know people are often saying, dude, you inspired me so much, but like I get inspired by other people too. So it's really cool when someone's like, hey man, don't worry about a little setback. I mean, you'll figure it out. Way to go. You know, nice job what you're doing or whatever. Thanks a ton for the people who send those messages. Alright, next thing, move the work table to the front of the building to eliminate need for extension cord. Guys, what was I thinking? Putting the work table in the middle of the room where the trampoline clearly goes. Okay, so there wasn't really enough space up here for the big table, and I don't feel like making space. Besides, I figured a temporary table would be good because I'll be able to move it out of the way when I test Robotron. Roboticles, I don't know, Robotosaurus, whatever his name is. Stopped raining in here too. Alright, back to this guy. Let's warm him up a little bit. And I checked in my bucket of scraps. And oh look, I found all kinds of pieces that should fit where I need them to go. Sweet. Just need to hammer them flat. Put Jen outside and welder can reach it without an extension cord. Come on. Much better. Ooh. Oh, it's a bit of a mess, but that's much nicer. I guess it just needed to warm up or something. Although that's just on Jen. I haven't tried the inverter setup thingy yet. I'm gonna save that for later. I'm just gonna go with one victory for the moment. Alright, now I'm getting somewhere. Just have one more of these to do. That one down there. Ah, much better. I still shorted out the generator a couple times doing that though. So I think I'm gonna test the inverter setup again. And I'm just gonna test it with the batteries it has on it now. And I did put a couple extra cables on there. Wires. Really need like fat cables, but whatever. I'm just gonna see how much of a difference it makes just not using an extension cord. Hopefully it'll at least work for, you know, a few seconds instead of just immediately going out. And then, presuming it does work for a couple seconds at least, then I'll know it should be okay if I get some more batteries in there. Although, just to make sure, I'm going to put the camera on the little gauge thing again and check what overloads when. Okay, there's my little gaugey numbery things. The voltage is really high at the moment since it's charging. Alright, we're ready to go. Oh, if we turn it on, it works better. Oh, that was way better. Sweet. Alright, let's take a look at that. Cool. Totally looks like the batteries were kind of barely keeping up and then gave out. So put another battery over there, get some fatter cables, and I might be good. I don't know if I'll be able to weld on full power though. Okay, I have a question for people too. Does anyone know if this thing exists? A hard start kit that will work on an AC thing that you can put in line with something that's AC or whatever. And I don't care about all the things that I can't do. I want to know if anyone knows about a hard start kit that will work with an AC line. I know there are a million things that won't work with it. I don't care about those. Okay, anyone? That was just a full power test. I was curious. I might actually be able to get away with that if I get some more batteries down here and some better connections. And if that actually works out, I'll have to get a better battery charger for my generator so I can keep them topped up faster. Because right now it only charges them at like 100 watts. If I'm using like 3,000 watts, that means for every minute I'm welding, I really have to charge them for like half an hour. Yeah. Whatever, let's hook these things up. Now the last leg pieces connect up here and down there. Alright, in order to get the other three legs on this, I think I have to crank the thing and make it start walking, sort of, to get the three legs in the right position. First I have to turn this top part facing the right direction. Looks good. Okay, I just went to have lunch and brought down my new robot shirt stencil since my last one was all gunked up with paint. This one should last a while. Ah, that's better. Ooh, do I ever feel good now? Ah, giant robot shirt. Ooh, much better. Make the shirt, slave. Oh. Alright, I've got the motor locked into position right in like mid-stride, like when all 6 legs should be on the ground. So, you see this one's like just taking a big step way out there. Alright, and now I've got the last 3 leg pieces kind of in position. I can get that connection on, but it's still too low to the ground to get it vertical to get, you know, this connection. You know, this has to go in here. So this is going to have to get straight up and down. I guess I'll just have to lift this up and try to get its weight up on the leg and then get that connection in and do that to the other 2. Although first I have to make some pins. I have leftover pieces from other things that are the right thickness, but unfortunately they're just a tiny bit too short. This is the longest one. So I have this piece here. I'm going to have to cut it into 6 pieces and make sure I don't make a mistake. I believe that's the last one I have. That's better. I had to get the rust off with some sandpaper.